Hi everyone, this is Darcy and welcome to your best skin of your life in 30 days. I'm going to start today a challenge where I'm going to be following the ZIIP app plan called the best skin of your life in 30 days, showing you guys all the tutorials from this plan, and I'm also going to show you before and afters so you can see at the end of this challenge which kind of results you can get. And I also love if you can join me on this challenge so we can do it together and get the best skin of our lives in 30 days. Make sure to check the timestamp below so you can jump anywhere in this video. My channel is all about aging gracefully, being healthy and happy. So if you want to join me, please make sure to subscribe and like this video if it's helpful to you. So now let's get started. I'm currently 46 years old. I want to show you now my starting point, and at the end of the challenge, we'll compare the before and afters. The ZIIP is a very unique microcurrent device because it is truly more than microcurrent. It has microcurrent and nanocurrent and also offers multiple waveforms. That matters because it helps with much more than just lifting. It also helps with skin quality, dark spots, dark circles, acne, fine lines, lifting and contouring your face. So the ZIIP has multiple benefits besides just lifting your muscles. I have been using the ZIIP since 2016 and is a very powerful device, and the ZIIP Halo is the latest release from ZIIP that has some technology advances compared to the other ZIIPs, and also comes with a preset treatment so you can use with or without the app. The ZIIP app has amazing treatments, and I actually have done on my ZIIP With Me series all the ZIIP Halo treatments that you see on the app. So if you're interested on seeing each of these treatments, you can check out my ZIIP With Me series. And on this challenge, I'm going to actually follow the ZIIP plan. And the ZIIP plan on the app are suggestions for you to do treatments to reach your goals. For example, you can do a New to ZIIP, gives you 10 days of an overview of the ZIIP Halo. You can do the event prep plan, which gives you 6 days of treatments when you're getting ready for an event, a wedding, or something you want to be looking your best. But the one I'm going to be doing for this challenge is the best skin of your life in 30 days. The best skin of your life in 30 days is going to give you 30 days suggested treatments to do at different days. And then at 30 days, it will give you a very good overview of all the treatments you can do, as well as give you really great results. So the description of the treatment is: achieve beauty elevated within this 30-day plan. 3 sessions a week over a month, each one with varying waveforms in the nano and microcurrent range. This is really the key to glowing, lifted, and clear skin. You follow a thoughtful progression of treatments that work synergetically with your skin during this course. So on this treatment, I'm going to be following all the suggestions from the app from day 1 to the final day, and I'm going to be showing you my progress weekly. And at the end, I'm also going to show you my final before and afters, so that way it can give you an idea which kind of results you can get, which I'm pretty excited. So today is day 1, which I'm going to be doing the instant gratification. And the instant gratification treatment it really packs a punch. It's a very strong treatment to give you like an instant lift, an instant get up, so you guys will be able to see an instant result. But with long term, you will get even better results. You get dramatic results, exactly what you want them. This microcurrent powered facial workout stimulates your muscles to instant lift and contour your defining features. You love reaching for this gel lifting contouring treatment to prep for a social event or when you need a little pick-me-up. The ZIIP tips: achieve an instant sculpted appearance, improve the contour of your face, neck, and jawline. It is a powerful microcurrent, it is intense vibrations, and it is easy. So this is the first day. So we'll be doing the instant gratification today. Now let's get started. To start a treatment, make sure you do it on a fully cleansed face with no makeup. And I like using a little headband as well. And I'm going to be using the crystal gel. Apply the gel all over your face, your neck, on your eyes, even behind your ears. So to start the plan, select the instant gratification and click start treatment. And then press the start button to turn on the ZIIP. And the ZIIP has successfully synced. And we're going to start with the ZIIP right on the neck. And all the way up. It's a very powerful treatment, so you can really feel the current. And the app is not synced to the ZIIP, so you can just follow the instructions of Melanie. You can also do anything you want. It's a free-form treatment, so if you want to focus on your cheeks, on your brow bones, or you can just do an overall lift. And this will give you immediate and long-term results. So start at the bottom of the neck, and you can involve everything, and the brow up. You can also do the jawline if you like. If you want to define the jawline, you can do a little more on the jawline. So you focus on the areas that you really want to lift. I really like my eyes more lifted when I do this treatment. So I kind of focus usually on the cheek, but you can include everything for an overall lift, or you can just choose what area. And Melanie gives great suggestions. You can choose to just do the end of your brow if you like. I like the lift from the middle of my brow better. And you can see that you can see the instant results. And she also suggests that if you do this on the jawline to give an overall lift, it helps to keep the lift even more on the eye, and you can see the immediate results right now. The only place you need to avoid is the thyroid. You can do the jaw more if you like, or more the cheeks. Do a little wiggle at the end if you want. So you kind of focus on the areas that you want. You can also do this to kind of focus on the side like she's doing it. And it beep now. So now let's turn to the other side. So you can see now just one side how much I'm lifted. Now you can start. And let's even myself out. When I do this overall lift that she does, I kind of include my cheeks as well. So I do more like these and up. And I often love doing that, especially when in a hurry. But the way she's doing is just kind of siding to the side. And she's even saying that you can do it like that. You can do the cheeks more. This is the way to carve your cheeks as well. If you want to carve your cheeks, you go under the muscle and up. So on her tutorial, she gives great suggestions, but it's a really true, like a free form type of treatment. So you do what you really want to focus more. If you want to focus more on the jawline, and I mentioned like focus on my eye since I have hooded eyes. And on her, she likes to focus on the jaw, and she also likes to go on the side to really lift and work your way up here. And this is you feel the current pretty strong. You can also do the cheek. To lift the cheeks, you go right underneath, or you can hug the cheek muscle to lift it as well, and end it on the side. So I love that it's a free form tutorial that you can either hold to lift on the sides like she's doing it, and even do the lift here. You can even go under the chin if you like to. Just avoid the thyroid. So this to form and lift the double chin. And go back to what you're doing before. You can include the neck. And just go one swipe. and it will give you an instant lift. Melanie always says, whenever in doubt, just go up. So that is also, if you want to keep it simple, you can just do this movement, just up. I would include the cheeks. That's usually what I do. Or you can just go up to the side, and that's it. And it is the instant gratification. You can see that I'm instantly lifted and an overall lift. So now it's going to say you completed today's treatment, and then when you come tomorrow, it will tell you that tomorrow there's no treatment because you have a day in between rest. But I will continue the series, and I will have all the links to the next treatment on the description box below. Once I complete those treatments, I'm going to wash my face and show you my results. Because the instant gratification does give you an instant lift, so I want to show you the immediate results. But for more long-term results, you want to use it consistently, and that's why we're doing the 30-day challenge, so you can see the long-term results from using all these treatments for 30 days. I'm going to be showing you my before and afters every week so you can follow my progress. On day 2, you take a break, but I'll come back on day 3 so you can follow along with me. And I'm always going to have the links for the next treatments or the previous treatments on the description box below. Pretty excited with this challenge, and I would love for you to join me. So if you want to join me in this challenge, please comment below, and I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you on day 3.